The Garden Golf Simulator Room 2 is an affordable DIY garden log cabin ideally suited to any golf enthusiasts looking to practice their swing. Designed to meet all size requirements including height clearance, you can practice your golf swings in comfort. If you don't fancy a DIY project, then our installation team can easily assemble this golf cabin within 2 days. Standard kit features include 70mm thick walls, extra thick 28mm floorboards, double glazed doors and windows, as well as strengthening metal rods inserted throughout the entire wall in all 4 corners. All these great cabin features ensure superb stability, good weather resistance and a very long lifespan. For even better thermal resistance, we recommend adding one of our optional roof and floor insulation kits. Factory guarantee is 5 years.